Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and today we are having some fun with the Mazda Tribute. Now, we are replacing an alternator because it died on us. Luckily, we weren't stranded because it was actually the trip back from buying the Fiesta, so we had a spare car. But I digress. In this repair, okay, the important thing is there seems to be some debate. Most people say the alternator is down in there. Most people say you got to disconnect the steering. You have to take off the CV shaft to get to it, and to pull it out. Basically, they say you're going to pull it out through here. You can see it kind of sitting in there. Maybe a little. It's kind of dark. Here, you can see it. I got it disconnected. Everything's off. They say you got to basically take off the CV shaft, which would mean all of this other stuff, which would mean you need an alignment. Okay, but then I found a couple of videos where guys say that you can get it out the top of the engine up here. Now, I watched a couple of the videos. Nobody that I can tell at the moment, nobody's actually showed it. So this is where we're at, guys. I took off the computer, the connection. I got these two big harnesses here taken off, and that's all pushed to the side about as far as I can get it. This little, I'm guessing it's like a vacuum booster or something, usually goes about here. I took that off to get it out of the way. So, as you can see, a little bit down in there, we have a nice cavity. And you see my lifeline. That is because I just tied that through one of the mounting holes on the alternator. So what I'm going to attempt to do right now, you can see, I'm sure the video will be edited, but you can see the state of, well, there you go, all of that. So I haven't taken any of that off, and I will if I have to, but it seems like I'm going to be able to get it out here. So I'm going to see if I can kind of set you guys up to the side, and I'm going to, on video, prove that this can be done without taking off all that stuff. Now, granted, it's still a pain, but I think maybe less of a pain. Alright guys, well, I'm a little winded, but we did it. That being said, it is a huge pain in the ass, but from what I hear, the other way's a pain in the ass too, and you need an alignment after you do that. So, this was already done at some point. Look, it's remanufactured. So, it's probably gonna help you to have another person. Get a buddy, keep maybe somebody on the bottom, helping to orient the part as you're coming up. It's tight. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's tight, but it's definitely doable. So, there. I might be done for the day. I gotta work tonight, so I gotta get some sleep. But at least we got it out. So it is possible to get the alternator out without removing your entire suspension on the passenger side. Guys, Matt from Just Wrench It. Hopefully it's a helpful tip. Get a second guy in there to give you a hand. My arms are killing me, but it is possible. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.